Good morning, sir. I am Hoofle. Please tell how can I help you?
Hello, Hoofle.
Hello, sir. How are you?
I'm great.
Good to know, sir. How may I help you?
Can you give me some commands that I could try?
I have tons of features. Let me give you commands that you can try. Open/close Notepad. Internet. Open/close Spotify. Check weather. Stopwatch. Battery percentage. Go to sleep. Tongue twister. Shutdown. Restart. Lock the computer. Download. Send WhatsApp messages. Name. Play Senorita song. Search. Camera. Jokes. YouTube. Snake game. Instagram.
How's the weather near me?
The current temperature is 38 degrees C.
What is the computer's battery percentage?
The battery percentage is 31%.
Open YouTube.
What should I search, sir?
Interesting science facts.
Searching for interesting science facts. Opening YouTube with search result.
Play some music.
Searching for a good song. Playing Heat Waves.
Quit.
Goodbye, sir. Hoofle disconnected.